Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Look at this truck in front of us. Look at its carrying marl and look at how it is messing up the road. Now, this highway is a Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. We are driving from St. Thomas back to Harborview. And St. Thomas is known for its marl pits and its quarries, I should say. So a lot of trucks come over here, collect marl and carry to construction sites. Now, they are building a $1 billion road here. It's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway. Look at how the truck is just messing up the road. And this truck is going to go all the way to Harborview and continue up into Kingston. I mean, Jamaica has laws. I cannot believe a truck is allowed to drive like this. Look at how it's messing it up. So when this road is finished and paved and the trucks come over to collect the marl at the quarries, is this how they're going to mess up the road? I mean, there was a time when they used to weigh these trucks coming out of St. Thomas. They had a scale set up in Harborview, but I don't know if it's still being used. This truck, because we're driving behind it all the way into Kingston. They never stopped anywhere to get weighed or anything. But something has to be done because you can't have a road being messed up like this. Guys, what do you think? Tell us what you think about this. This just seems wrong. And if this road was paved when the truck is driving on it, it would be messing up the paved road. It's going to be messing up the road. I don't know. What do you guys think about this? Now, Jamaica recently this year put in all sort of road laws, new traffic act, but it always comes down to enforcement. Now, there's not one police car on this journey. No, they need police station out here to check these trucks. Because, oh my God, look at the emissions coming out of it. They need to monitor this thing because it's going to be a major problem when the road is finished. What's the sense you spend billions of dollars fixing this road and then you just damage it like this with these trucks? And this is just one truck. Well, I shouldn't say that. This truck is definitely messing up the road. Look at that. Now we're coming up to the Harborview Bridge. Now this is the main road. But I really believe the authorities need to put something in place. One police car out here to monitor these trucks. So guys, in other countries, how do they monitor these trucks? Could a truck like this be allowed to travel in other countries, like in the US, Canada, the UK? How do they do it on the roads up there? And I mean, with the amount of cameras available, I'm sure they'll be able to take a picture of this license plate and a picture of the truck messing up the road. I mean, look at this. I'm sure the cameras would pick this up. Now we're now heading to the Harborview roundabout. Here is a roundabout. This road is finished. This road is not part of the construction. This is a finished road. This is a road that takes you, if you go left, you go to the airport. If you go right, you go into Kingston. And look at that. It's messing up the road. Unbelievable. Okay, there's another truck on the left, but let's see if this one this one is also covered, because the law says you must cover the top. But this one doesn't seem to be messing up the road. Okay, so let's see what's going on here now. So you notice now, this is Harborview. We're on the Sir Florizel Glass Bowl Highway or Boulevard. And you notice this truck is not being weighed. I don't know, have they stopped weighing them? I always thought trucks had to be weighed to make sure that they don't damage the road with the weight. But you can see the truck is still in front of us. You see all the dust that it's creating on the road because of what's dropping out of it. So when you come from the Norman Mann International Airport and heading into Kingston, this is the road you use. We're heading towards Cement Company. Okay, there's a truck. So you notice it didn't stop to get weighed. So if anybody knows what's going on, ironically there's a police bus, but I think that bus just transports officers. It's not a patrol car. Yeah, what does anybody know what's going on with the weighing of these trucks coming out of St. Thomas? Look at the mess it is making. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this. And how does it work in other countries with these trucks and the monitoring of it like this? If anybody knows. Alright guys, have a good day.